how to log in to Steam account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to log in to your Steam account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Steam app on your Windows. And now here, once you have opened the Steam app, what you can do is you can just click on the login button. Now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is simply click on the top box, and there you can simply enter your email address. And here, once you're done with it, you can just click on the passport box, and there you can enter your Steam account password. And here, once you're done with it, what you can do is simply click on sign in. And once you do that, if you have Steam Guard enabled, you may need to enter a verification code. So check the code sent to your email or the Steam mobile authenticator. And once you're done with that, you can just enter the code to continue. And here, after entering your details and verification code, you can just click sign in, and you will now be successfully logged into your Steam account. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.